Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be unboxing the AG9 Plus wireless gaming headset for your Xbox One. There's the manual, empty airbag. Here is a USB connector, the microphone. This is to connect it to your Xbox for the wireless connection, and then the headset itself. So as I was saying, the build quality of these headphones feel pretty good. This is made out of plastic, all the matte black parts right here, and it also has the Afterglow branding right over here. Then we got really comfortable fabric ear cups and also a fabric headband with memory foam built in inside of it. Then on the left side of the headphone, we have all of the mic controls. There's the volume knob, the chat game knob, and also different modes for your lighting because this headphone does light up. Set up the headphones. First thing you need to do is connect the microphone, of course, and the microphone is going to connect on the left side. It goes in right here, just like that. And also, these are wireless headphones if you guys did not know. I don't think I mentioned it, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to test these out. These have 50mm drivers, and let's see how they sound.